Hi everybody, Tracy here, taking you through our beautiful April Winter Rose Creative Kit. It's a beautiful warm kit getting ready for winter. Beautiful things for Mother's Day in it, and I'm going to take you through some things in this kit. This kit is slightly different than how we do our normal kits because of the coronavirus. We're finding it really hard to get our stock through. So we have got some either or situations. Let me take you through that. So you are going to get either this lace in your kit or these flowers. So you won't get both. You'll either have lace or flowers. You will either have feathers or glass domes. So some kits will look like this and some kits will look like that. Okay, so the DT girls have not used these products in their projects except for myself because I had them before I realized we couldn't get them. So it's not like you won't be able to do the project. So you've got flowers and domes or feathers or lace in your kit. Also, you have got a very cute little mark making stamp. This is our vintage text stamp. We have got some champagne rhinestones. We have got some beautiful washi glitter tape bits there, really cute flags. The Winter Rose Creative Cuts. This one is jam-packed full of beautiful die cuts. You have got the gorgeous Flourish die. Really super cute Flourish die, one of my favorites. We have got some flourishes on the laser cut, some little bit bigger flourishes there. We have got your next set of markers. So this is your next set of markers. The last set will be coming in your May kit. Of course, we have got the magazine, which has got all of your project ideas and all your instructions in here. We have got some beautiful shiny, it's so shiny, hi, there I am, rose gold card. We've got our Winter Rose cut apart sheet, and you can see we've got a few little Mother's Day bits and pieces on there if you want to get a head start on your Mother's Day cards. There's a sheet of vellum, and this here is the watercolor printout, so you can use your beautiful markers to color in those flowers. There is some watercolor cardstock, back to the nice super thick 360 GSM because we actually got the container through customs. We've got our craft cardstock, and we have of course got the Winter Rose paper pack, which has got 16 double-sided sheets of paper in that pack. All right, let's take a look at some of the projects. So this is a project I want to show you. This is the only project where I have used some of that lace and the feathers in here. But of course, you'll be able to see you can very easily do this layout without that. Another one of mine there. This was one that I was doing just on my desk, and I wasn't going to put it in the magazine, but I thought, why not give you guys the bonus? Because if you'll see, I have used a flower up here. I just happened to have that on my desk after I was making someone a birthday card and used it on this layout because it wasn't going to be in the magazine. But I thought, you know what, you guys would probably appreciate to see it even with the flower there than not having it. That's my beautiful Pearlie's naming day, and she's 5 now. Cian has done some beautiful layouts for us this month. Gorgeous layouts. I love the dark. And then this one again is lots of layering on there. That is my sweet little pal. This one Cian has actually used, if I can get in there and show you, she actually cut up her packaging box that comes, and she has used that on her layout. Isn't that just darling? Clever DT. More layouts here. It's a beautiful collection. Rachel's joined us this month as well and has used that die. Really effective, that Flourish die. There, a vet again. This is one of the dies. Sorry, I should point out the other add-on dies. So this is one of the add-on dies. This is beautiful lanterns. Do you see the lanterns there? And then the frames is the other die. You can see Rachel's also used those dies, and she's coloured in that cute little watercolour cut apart. Very nice. Multi photo pages. You guys asked for them. Yvette has delivered. Here you go. Look at that. 6 pictures on there. And another one from the first day of school. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, and then again using the frames on this one and colouring in those cut aparts. And just a couple of little ones here. I love how Yvette's just chosen this other orangey colour tone from this kit. Have a quick look at some cards. I don't have all the cards, but I'm going to show you some of them. So don't look, Mum, because this is going to be your Mother's Day card. Happy Mother's Day, using the creative cuts and some of those cute little fussy cutout shapes. Rosina has joined us and has coloured in these. These are so pretty. There's that die. And there's the beautiful die that comes in the kit. I'm going to quickly show you the magazine because I don't have some of the other projects. There's just a couple of the different projects that Shana has made. A cute little one here. I think this would make a great masculine card. Thinking might make that one for my dad. So the dies. Let me show you the 2 add-on dies that you can get. The lanterns are $15.80. And the frames, we've got those 3 different size frames, $23. You can also add on all of the other things to the collection. You can buy these on our online store or support your local business. Please, if you can get in there to keep their doors open, or they can home delivery if they offer that, or an online order, please help them out. This here is the laser cut, the creative cuts. There are 2 of these dies. This one this one here is included in the kit. This is the other one. That you can order more of the cut apart sheets. You can order more of the watercolor cut apart sheets too. Just going to give you a quick look at some of the blog projects coming up. The girls have done some amazing tutorials on the blog, and these ones are done by Liddell. And you can't see the shininess of the sparkle brush on here. So cute. So there you go, 3 gorgeous blog projects that you will see those tutorials coming up as well. So we do have limited numbers of this kit like usual, and we will get them out to you as soon as we can. We are shipping them straight away from the 1st, 2nd, and we'll get them out as soon as we can. Hope you are all keeping safe, and I hope you enjoy this kit to keep you sane during all of these isolation rules and everything that's happening right now. And we thank you so much for your support and for supporting our small business so we can keep our staff all in a job. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.